Hello all and welcome to this week's episode of the Fintech Fix, your weekly news roundup where I cover everything fintech and what's been going on in our virtual arena. Now, this week we've had ourselves a little bit of a payments deep dive over at Fintech Finance, as I hosted ING and BNY Mellon to find out more about payments in Europe and North America, respectively. And that leads me to my first story of the day, and it's really disappointing. New York City Metro, or Subway, has decided to shelve its contactless payment solution until the end of the year. And for anyone who's been to New York knows, that's terrible news. The yellow travel card that they currently employ is terrible. The mag stripe at the back never seems to work. And I know I've been stuck at turnstiles numerous times, even though I'm a big fan of the city. Sort that out. Now that leads me on to my second story of the day, and that is the fact that over in the UK during 2019, over 7 billion payments were made using contactless technology. And that also correlates with the fact that 17 billion payments were made using debit cards. And those facts are brought to us by UK Finance, a firm that looks after 250 financial firms in the UK. Now, those facts are very significant because earlier in the Fintech Fix, we actually covered the fact that the UK had seen a 60% drop off in ATM usage. Now, what does this mean for people who still predominantly rely on cash? We don't know, but we know that MPs are struggling to deal with it, and hopefully they will come up with a solution very soon. Now, next week looks set to be an absolute incredible one for the virtual arena as we take a trip to Hong Kong to find out all about what Standard Chartered is doing when it comes to information and technology in mainland China. Also, I'll be hosting Christian Wolf, the chief innovator over at Raiffeisen Bank International, as he tells me all about innovation in Central and Eastern Europe, a place which, when it comes to fintech technology, is absolutely booming. So make sure to check those out at Fintech Finance and obviously our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this week's episode of the Fintech Fix, and I look forward to seeing you next week.